Yeah, my money's right. Yeah, hey.
I don't really care
Cause I'm done. All the real love is not fun. There's no emotion on my face cause I'm numb. You see me everywhere you look, no you can't hide or run. Yeah, everything I said, messing with your head, messing with your head.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing us how to start up your own YouTube channel and some tips and tricks to gain more views and subscribers. Before we hop right in, remember to like, subscribe and comment down below. Alright, let's begin. So guys, again, before we begin, I'm just gonna let you know guys, I just decided to make this video. I've recently gotten some new comments asking how do you start a YouTube channel, so I decided to help you guys out. And I did not plan this video out, so I'm just doing all of this on top of my head. Alright, let's start. So first things first, okay, having good quality thumbnails. Guys, so basically it doesn't matter how good your video is, it's all about impressions, the title and the thumbnail. If thumbnail's nice and the title is like professional or whatever, people will want to click on a video and check it out. Alright guys, tip number 2, I see a lot of people making this mistake by not putting tags in the video. That's right guys, tags are really important. You don't put tags in and I will eat cookies tonight. Alright guys, tags would be where's YouTube Studio? Let's go my cycle montage. By the way guys, 1.1k, almost 1.2. Let's go, 48 likes. Oh sorry, first 40. Right, so if you go to edit, let's give my PC some time. Okay, so these are tags. I try to put as many tags as possible, as many. Alright, so guys, you're probably thinking, wait, where did you get this from? So guys, I use TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a really good app. Okay, really good app. TubeBuddy will help you out so much. I will really recommend you to use TubeBuddy. If this video gets a lot of likes, I will make a video showing how to use TubeBuddy. Alright, just for now, use really good trending tags and a lot of tags, as much as you can. 500 is the max, so use as much as you can. Guys, again, hashtags, other profile links, and yeah, and a good description, good thing, a title, good settings, and your video should be good. Alright, okay, no psycho. I've got psycho right now. Alright, tip number 3. Shut up. Okay, tip number 3, laying out everything. So make sure your profile picture is good. This picture up here is good, profile picture. Make sure everything is laid out perfectly. Example guys, uploads, next, best of the Game Sharif, as in most popular uploads, past live streams, the Game Sharif's montages, the Game Sharif's musics, as in the music I've made, but not really made, but like, yeah, get me, and collaborations with other people. So far the most collaborations I've made is with Extreme Smith. Guys, check him out, he's my friend, you know, check him out. Right, and yeah, I call this my bros. I should really change this guys. If you want to be on this, maybe comment, let me know, and I'll let you know if I do on. Alright. Alright guys, so tip number 4 is to take advantage of trending things. So guys, if you go to trending here, and let's say for example people want to know, I don't know, the new secret example guys, if people want to know the new secret ending or Roblox kitty, alright, take full advantage and quickly find out how to get a secret ending, do the secret ending, record a video, upload it on the channel, make a good thumbnail and upload it, and you will get views after views. Tip number 6 guys, make friends on YouTube. So guys, I have a lot of friends on YouTube, a lot of loyal friends, OG friends, a lot of friends on YouTube. I don't even know them personally, as in like in real life, but they're friends. We support each other, so that's a good way to make friends, support each other, guys. Whoever comments this video, just support each other, subscribe to each other, help each other grow. Sorry, that's it. Alright, guys. So tip number 7 to 6, or 8. No, 7. Okay, tip number 7. Having a good video. There's some words today, guys. Good video software editing app. So I use I use VideoPad video editor. It's free, guys. It's free for a while. Okay, it's free for a while. No watermark. Just take a little bit of time to get used to, and there's actually a way where you can use it for free. So it's a good app. Use it. And guys, also make montages. Trust me, I get so many videos of montages. Alright, guys. So it's a real tip. Is a recommendation for me. Okay, last recommendation. If you're really struggling to gain subscribers, I would recommend you to making something like reacting to subscribers live. So, example like this. I gained over 20 to 30 subs in one live stream. In this 4-hour live stream, I got at least 60 to 70 subs in the live stream alone. I got so happy, guys. So that's a recommendation from me. So guys, hope this video was useful to you. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And guys, almost at 500 subs, half a K subs. If you hit 500 subs, I will make a gaming setting tutorial. Alright, guys. See y'all later.